Hello guys, good day. Welcome back to our Robotics Module 2 Assessment 4. My name is Brent Paul Macasilhig and now we're going to tackle this with our Tinkercad. So the problem this time for the Assessment 4 is LCD screen. An LCD is a liquid crystal display that is able to display text on its screen. In this project, you should see words "Hello World" displayed on the screen. The potentiometer is used to adjust the contrast of the display. So the materials needed are Arduino Uno, USB A to B cable, breadboard, LCD screen, potentiometer, and jumper wires. So now let's head on to our Tinkercad. So I have already prepared the materials. So now let's go on to connect the wirings, the jumper wires. So let's start first here. I will connect the ground to the negative side. I'll color it black. This one I'll connect it to the ground here. They're both G and D, so I guess that should do it. After that, I shall connect this, make use of the power for us to have later on. I will color it red because the plus sign is red. Okay, so we don't have to worry anything about here right now because we are already connected to the Arduino. So after next is the power. I shall directly connect it here. Mm, well, that should do it. After then the contrast, I shall connect it, I guess, here, like that. That should do it. I shall color it yellow for it. It would be differentiated. Then register select. These two here. I think I'm gonna put them. Uh, wait. Register select and enable. I will put them here in this portion. So I guess I'll start by doing this. Mm, First off, here in the D13, change its color to brown, while enable same thing. I will change. I will put them. I guess here. Mm, for the read and write, I'm gonna put it in the positive. Positive here. We can count it here. I will change this color to black because it's negative. Okay. Afterwards, I guess we're finished here. Okay. The cathode and the anode. Anode for the positive side and cathode for the negative. Okay, so cathode. Simply gonna put that here, I guess. Hmm, I guess that should do it. And for the anode, we can put it here. I can change it to red. Afterwards, um, wait, let me connect the potentiometer first. Here, connect it to negative side. Okay, I guess I'll have to extend this one like that. Oh, wait. My bad. Um, this is the one I should extend. There we go. Mm, change that color to black. And then here we'll have this red because it's positive. Then we already have the yellow one for the contrast. So we are technically completed the potentiometer. Now let's head on to here. I think we're gonna use four, four of them. Okay, let me just turn it up. Mm, let's change colors. I guess we can go for turquoise. No, wait. There we go. Next one. Uh, lastly, hmm, I guess they should do it. Okay, so we've technically finished four. So one to four. Okay, so now let's just head on to coding. So let's start by having hashtag include um, liquid crystal.h. After that, liquid crystal LCD parenthesis 13 12 13 12 4 3 2 1. Okay, that should do it. Now for the void setup, LCD dot begin. Uh, Y16 okay. LCD print. Um, hello. Okay. That should do it. Avoid LCD set cursor 01 LCD print millis millis slash 1000 for 1 second. After that, there we go. I guess we should start now. I think there's a problem. Current backlight LED think what I guess we should really need a resistor. Current should look like this. I guess we really need resistor. Hmm. Wait. Um. Here we go. Resistor 220. Wait. Let me put it here. Where? For the lead. For the lead anode. Okay, I guess I really do need. Um. Hmm. Shall put it. Wait. I shall put it here. And then we'll start lead anode. I think that should do it. Wait, let me try to enhance. I think this. So let me change the color to red. My bad. I think this should do it. There we go. So I guess too much. Hmm. So there you have it, guys. So this is my module 2 assessment for robotics. Um, LCD screen. So thank you for listening and watching, guys, and hope you have learned so many things for now. And we'll see each other next time again. Thank you.